Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you a couple of things to look for on your charts. This fair value gap we've gone over before, you can see price traded up. This is a 15-minute chart on natural gas, and it came back down about the 50% mark. That's what you want to see for a good, strong up move. And the price went up and then it consolidated. I got a little concerned because on the way up, you see how most candle bodies, their corners meet. Most of the time, the corners will meet. But if they don't meet for some reason, like this candle opened higher than that one closed, down here is some areas where it really happened. These corners don't meet right there. And also right here, this one doesn't touch either of those. The candle body is very small. So those were areas of interest for me. If price is going to continue up, it needs to come take out these inefficient, they're called volume inefficiencies, and it needs to come down and take those out first. And as we scroll, you'll see what happened. All right, the first one got taken out with that red candle right there. Now we go again. The next one got taken out with that candle right there. And then what happened to price? Zoom. So if you're going to be trying to enter a long position there, relying solely on the fair value gaps without paying attention to little anomalies like that, you could get burned and stopped out. So you want to make sure that if you're seeing these kind of things on the chart, and this is a 15-minute chart, so that's a pretty big gap for that, that you want to put your stop below that, or it's most likely going to come back down there. So sometimes it's best just to go ahead and put in your order for down there. I believe I saw another one over here. As you're scanning candles have to touch. Right here, a candle did not touch. It traded back up into it. I saw another one, I thought. Maybe it was on the 5-minute chart. But yeah, I'm not seeing them now. But that's the gist of what I wanted to get on here and show you this morning. These anomalies, let me zoom in, will be magnets for price. These candle corners are not touching. Volume inefficiency. These candle corners are not touching. This one does, but this one does not. And normally you have them touching. The opens and the closes will be at the same level. Only thing at the same level there is a wick. So it closed here, opened here, wick down, and moved higher. Hope you found that video helpful.